Hello kids! Welcome to Bobo World. Today we're gonna solve giant flow puzzle. It's a baby shark puzzle with his family.
All 5 sharks have 5 different colors. Baby shark has bright yellow color. Mommy shark has cute pink color. Daddy shark has dark blue color. Grandma shark has orange color. And Grandpa shark has green color.
Are you guys ready? Let's get started. All the puzzle pieces are here now. Let's begin with baby shark. Oh, I only see the half face of baby shark. Where's the other half? Let's find it. Oh yeah, here it is. Let's fix it. And here we are. We are done with baby shark's face, mommy shark, and daddy shark face. Let's find their tails. Will it go here? Yes. It's mommy shark's pink tail. I see. Baby shark's tail is missing. Let's find the missing bit. Here it is. I see baby shark's yellow tail. And daddy shark's blue tail. Now we are done with baby shark, mommy shark, and daddy shark, grandma shark, and grandpa shark. They want to be with mommy shark, daddy shark, and baby shark. Let's put them together. There is grandpa shark with big white mustache. Where is grandma shark? Oh, here she is. Let's put it here with daddy shark. Now we don't have grandpa shark tail and grandma shark tail. So let's find it. We found an orange tail. Where will it go? I see grandma shark is orange colored. So the orange tail will go here. We are done. Now we need green tail for grandpa shark. Here it is. We found a green tail. Let's fix it. Super! Now we have grandpa shark, mommy shark, baby shark, daddy shark, and grandma shark. What else do we see here? I see there are some fishes. How many fishes do you see here? Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 fishes. But what's missing? I think the tails are missing. Let's find it. I found this bit. I see 3 tails here. 1, 2, 3. Let's see, where does it go? It doesn't go here. Let's try it here. It goes here. So we found out 3 tails for our fishes, but we are left with 2 more. Let's find it. So in this bit, we see 2 more tails. Let's fix it. Yay! We are done. Now we see 5 fishes ready to go in their house. Kids, as I said, it's a giant flow puzzle. So there are many more bits left. Let's see what's coming next. So I see there are some grass here, and I found another bit which has some grass here. Let's put it together. Great! I see a starfish here. It's cool, isn't it? I wonder what will be there. Let's check out. I found another bed with a fishy. Let's check if it goes and fit in here. Oh, cool! It goes here. It's a cute little home for a purple fishy. Kids, to add more fun, we have many more pieces left in this puzzle. Kids, I see there are some more bits left here. It looks like a fun game. Would you like to play a fun game with me? Let's finish the puzzle and play a game. So, here we see numbers. It's 1 and 2. Let's first see where will it go. I think it goes here. What comes after 1 and 2? It will be 2 and 3. Let's put it here. Kids, I have one more number puzzle. It has number 4 and number 5 on it. I think it will go here, below number 3. I see we are done with number part. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4 and number 5. Yay! We have few more pieces left. I wonder where it will go. Let's see which bit goes where. Wow! I found a jellyfish. I think it goes here because it has some of orange and blue part on it. What will be the next one? What fish it is? It's a starfish. Where it will go? Let's check if it goes here. Oh yeah, it goes here. So we have two friends here, jellyfish and a big starfish. Kids, do you see there are a few more parts missing here? To begin our fun game, we need to put them all. So let's get started. What will be the next one? Baby shark. That's Grandpa shark. Will it go here? No, it doesn't look right. I think it will go here. That's Grandpa shark, showing his thick moustache. What's this? Where will it go? Oh, I suppose it goes here. Let's fix it. Where will this go? I think Grandma Shark wants to be with Grandpa Shark. Let's put it here and see. Yeah, that's correct. It goes there. What about Mommy Shark? Where will this go? It fits perfectly here. The last bit left here is Daddy Shark. Let's put it here. Yay! We are done with the puzzle now. Let's begin with a fun game. So kids, here is our complete finished puzzle. It's a giant flow puzzle, isn't it? And kids, I see there are a number of questions to solve. It looks fun and exciting. Let's begin with numbers.
This is a cool pen which we will use to answer all the questions. And it beeps when we give the correct answers. So let's get started.
Let's begin with numbers. How many sharks do you see here? 1, 2. The correct answer is 2. Let's click here. Yay! That's the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. How many jellyfishes do you see here? What will be the correct answer? 1, 2, 3. The answer is 3. Yay! We did it! What's coming next? Oh, I see lots of fishes here. Let's count and see how many fishes are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 fishes in here. So, the correct answer is number 5. That's the correct answer. Let's move to some more exciting questions. I see some color questions here. I see 2 colors. It's yellow and purple. What color is the color of baby shark? It's yellow. Let's mark the correct answer. Let's move to next question. What color is the color of daddy shark? Is it orange? No. Yay! Blue is the correct answer. What do you think is the color of mommy shark? Is it green or is it pink? It's pink! Yeah! Let's move to the next question. Whoa, I see mustache here. It's a black mustache and a white mustache. What mustache does Grandpa Shark have? Yes, I see it's a white mustache. It's here, right there, below his nose. Let's mark the correct answer. Our next question is about Grandma Shark. What color glasses is Grandma Shark wearing? Is she wearing the normal glasses or the sunglasses? It looks like a normal glass to me. So, let's click the right answer. Our last question is about the fishy. Does purple fishy lives in the red grass or the green grass? So, let's check in the puzzle we made. Yay! We found out. She lives in a red house. Let's mark the correct answer. The fish lives in the red grass. Yay! That's the right answer. Let's move toward the next question. What do we see here? It's shadows. Now the question is, which shadow belongs to baby shark? I see baby shark has a round head. And this is the shadow of baby shark. Let's mark the correct answer. Yay! That's the right answer. Let's move towards the last 2 questions. How do we find which shadow belongs to jellyfish? Oh, I see there are 5 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do we see legs in this shadow? No. But we see here there are 5 legs in this shadow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This shadow is jellyfish shadow. Let's mark the correct answer. The last question. Which shadow belongs to the starfish? Does this look like a starfish? No. This is the correct answer. Let's mark the answer. Hey, that's the correct answer. Kids, we are done with solving puzzle. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel.